Meow. So there's the kitty we're going to draw. Just starting out with shapes that make sense for me to help me make kitty look comfortable and get everything in the right spot to start with. Looks a little bit weird to begin with, but that's okay. It's more than anything finding the places that are important to help the drawing make sense. And it's different for each drawing. I don't always start in the same spot. People ask me sometimes, well, where should I start? Well, that's totally up to you. And it's never totally the same for me. We learn as we go. This is a little bit different drawing style than I have been doing, and I'm feeling like I needed a bit of a change, and I feel like this way can, really get a lot of character into the drawing. It's a really good way to learn your shapes drawing like this. And if you do a more finished, polished drawing later, you may decide to have some of these lines a little bit softer and fading into the background. But this is just a really good way to learn how to get everything where it needs to go in order for Kitty to look comfortable. And there's another kitty in the picture. Okay, she's out of the way. That's silly Sharma. Those tabby stripes beside the eyes really help shape the contour of the head too, as well. There's a back paw peeking out there. Eraser's handy for getting rid of some of the extra lines that, get in your way of knowing where you're going, but I don't worry about erasing too much. You don't want to spend your whole time erasing. Here's some suggestions of tabby stripes. I like the character. Really not going for perfect and precise here, more for character and soul. I like that grin's a little bit crooked. A little bit more tabby stripe. I don't know. Might have been better to leave that out, but that's okay. It's all right. Thing is, you learn as you go. And whiskers, I always like to cross over a little bit, to give a little bit of extra character, more authenticity. Thanks for watching.